with Shay. I am here for my Walmart weekend haul for you. It's so cloudy, y'all. I had to zip it all the way up today, and I'm still a little cold. But listen, if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here, I am Shay with the Pow Pow. Definitely take a second and subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like button, support your girl. So as far as my weekend, I need 15 offers for $5. We also have a larger one as well. It's called the casserole something, and for that I need 50 for $9. I might just be able to hit that today, which would be, well, not today. Let me stop. Not today, but I will probably hit that this time around. Have some new deals to share with y'all today. I did put up a few community posts yesterday. I hope you guys got those deals because I don't think as of today they are there anymore. And today is Friday. We did get some more Flavor Wiki surveys. I put a post up this morning. I saw them around 5, and so I got them on my account. Joseph got them on his as well. I'm not sure if I'll do both though. Well, gosh, it's such an awesome money maker. I can't say no. It's like, it'd be so hard. Can you feel me, y'all? Sometimes when you see a deal, you be like, damn, girl, I know I don't need it. Like, I know I don't. You be having a chat with yourself. I know I don't need it, but then when you be looking at the moneymaker of it, you be like, okay, well, I can't say no. You be like, it's hard to say no. I can't say no to the moneymaker. I mean, you know what I could buy with that money? And so, I'm probably going to do it. Let me stop lying. But, yeah, so I'll have a link in the description if you don't see them on your account. Why is he being a lurker? Oh, my gosh. Are you... Is he dead ass about to sit right there? Oh, you got me all the way. Entirely. That's how people get hurt. God, luckily I'm not one of them. Because, man, he said, I'm going to sit right next to her. I'm going to be right in her view. Oh, my God. If he come over here, y'all, I don't know what I'm capable. If he come over here, I don't know what I'm going to do. No, he didn't. He did. Oh, God. I cannot make this up. But listen, we're going to head over to Walmart. We're going to see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab today. Did I even finish saying what I was saying? Because he just made me lose my whole entire chain of thought. And he was parked somewhere else. And he came right here by me, y'all. Look, it's not me. It's him. Okay? But listen, I don't even know if I finished my thought. We're going to head over to Walmart. I do have some Target to share as well. I think I got like 5 or 6 deals we're going to share from Target. You want to see what kind of awesome deals that we grabbed today? Definitely keep watching. Hit the like button. Support your girl and emojis in a comment. Let me see a truck emoji in the comments. Or a guy with glasses and a hat in the comments for the cameo. Okay? He did a cameo. I don't know who he is. John, George, Ralph, and so yeah. We'll see you.
So this first deal is on the Terraini. It's on the zero sugar beverage sauces. They're priced at $6.26. Grabbing 2 of them, you'll pay $12.52. There is a buy one get one free offer for aisle. We'll also get back $1.25 for one of them on Ibotta. Makes them $2.50. So this next deal is on the Chip Ahoys. Now we have an offer on Ibotta for $1.50. There's so many different options that you can do. For this, I wanted the absolute cheapest that I could find, and it would be these here. It's on the single big chewy ones. They're priced at $1.54. Getting back $1.50 on Ibotta makes them 4 cents each with a limit of 5. So I grabbed a set of the brownie ones for Walmart Rewards and a set of the chocolate ones for Ibotta, making them an awesome little deal. We got some Flavor Wiki chip surveys. I know chips is the absolute last thing that we probably need. We probably a little tired of chips, but you know the kids about to be on a little vacation, and so look, why not grab them? They all gonna be a nice little moneymaker, so I'm like, why not? I did put up a post on my community tab this morning at like 5 o'clock. I think that's when they popped up for me. All right, so let me try to make this quick because we have like 9. All right, and so the first one is on the Taki Intense Nacho flavor. It's priced at $4.08. For that, we're getting back $8 on Flavor Wiki, so it makes it at $3.92 money. On the Tostitos, it's on the original 12-ounce bag. I don't see that one. But they're priced at $4.48. Getting back 7 makes it a $2.52 moneymaker. Next up is the Sanitas. It's on the white corn 12-ounce bag. It's priced at $2.74. Getting back $6.50 on Flavor Wiki makes it a $3.76 moneymaker. Great value. It's on the tortilla chips, the white corn one, which is priced at, I think it's priced at $2.44. Yeah, getting back $5.50 makes it a $3.06 moneymaker. We also have one on the nacho cheese one, priced at $2.24. And for that one, you're getting back $6, makes it a $3.76 moneymaker. Now I have an offer that I did already, but then when we got new offers, I got it again. So I'm gonna be grabbing a second. Right, so next up is Siete. It's on the nacho cheese flavor one. Doesn't look like they carry it here. Anyways, priced at $4.66. They don't carry it at this store. Getting back $8.50 on Flavor Wiki makes it a $3.84 moneymaker. I think I got that one at Target last time, so I'll check there when I go. Next up is the Kettle brand. Now, for this one, I got it at Vaughn's this morning. I had to do a field agent job there, so I grabbed this there. It's Friday, so they are 3 for $5 are $167 each. So I just grabbed 2. I had one for the sea salt and I had one for barbecue. All right, so with the barbecue one, $167, getting back 7 makes it a $5.33 moneymaker. And then the sea salt one at $167, getting back $8.50 on Flavor Wiki, makes that one a $6.83 moneymaker. Now, the only one we don't actually carry in our area is the Utz brand. And for that one, I had 2 offers for the barbecue flavor, getting back $8.50. I had to try this deal again. I tried it in my last video, my OTC. PNG card didn't scan, all right? I tried it again yesterday because I really wanted to do this bounce deal and it worked. So I was like, thank you. I haven't had any issues with them not scanning. That was the first time. And so for this deal, we're grabbing 2 of the bounce price at $5. 2 is going to be $10. We'll use the $5 OTC, which will bring that total down to $5 out of pocket, but you'll get back $2 for buying 2 Walmart rewards, bringing them down to only $1.50. Right, so this next deal is on the Ensure Max Protein. It's priced at $3.98. This is a free offer on Ibotta. I went ahead and grabbed 1 for Walmart rewards as well, making them both absolutely free. All right, so this next deal is on the emergency. I was at the store yesterday. They didn't have any. I had to go to another store. It's on the 2-count emergency. They're priced at $1.50. This is working for the $2 offer on Ibotta. I'm not sure if it's available anymore though, making it a 50-cent moneymaker with a limit of 3. So I went ahead and grabbed a set for Walmart rewards as well. I'm making all 6 a $3 moneymaker. So next up is the Aleve. Now, I went ahead and grabbed this. The 10-count is priced at $2.57. For this, we have an offer on Ibotta for $1.50. I did try it for the Checkout 51 offer. It didn't work for me, making this $1.07. So I did this in my last video. I think I'm going to go ahead and grab the Healthy Hydration again. I only have 1 more of these little hang tags, and so I'm going to grab one at $5.22. With a coupon, you should pay $3.22. Getting back $2.25 on Ibotta would make that only 47 cents. I grabbed this deal yesterday with all of the moneymakers from the chips. I figured, why not go ahead and just grab it again? So it's on the refill bottles. This is the 50-ounce bottles for this. We're going to grab 2. We'll pay $11.94, getting back 5 on one of the sister apps for buying 2. And we'll get back $3 on Checkout 51, making them $1.97 each. And again, I'm going to go ahead and grab a set of 4.
All right, y'all. So we're at Target for a few awesome deals. This first one is a repeat deal that I had to do again because I had 1 more offer on Social Nature for buy 1 get 1 free. Now, I'm not even going to hold you. This one glitched again for me on Social Nature, and I got back like $18. $18.56 to be exact. So this was a massive little moneymaker for such a small little deal, literally, right? So I grabbed 2 of the Green Dream price at $3.14. I paid $6.28, got back 3 on Fetch, $1.50 on Ibotta, and then $18.56 on Social Nature. It made them both free plus a $16.78 moneymaker. Biggest tip I can give you with Social Nature is to activate every single offer that pops up. All right, so next up is the Organic Girl. It's on the Big Butter, specifically this one. Now, you can do this at any store, but we only have it at Target here. And so it's priced at $3.99. This is a free offer through aisle. I'll pop up who I saw post this deal. I'm making this absolutely free. All right, so next up is another freebie on Social Nature. It's on the Rishi tea.
It's priced at $6.99, getting that back, making this absolutely free. All right, so next up is the Blue Diamond. I saw Romy Saves post this deal. For this, we have a rebate offer. It's buy one, get two, buy two, get five, and buy three, get 10. So you want to grab 3 of them, priced at $2.99. That total is going to come to $8.97. We'll get back $10, making this a $1.03 moneymaker. And the limit on this is a limit of 3. Right, so next up is the Stir. It seems our Walmarts don't carry this anymore, so the only place I can grab this at is Target or Vons. And so I grabbed it here at Target, price at $3.99. Getting back $3.49 on Ibotta makes this only 50 cents. All right, so I'm grabbing the Siete nacho chips. These are priced at $5.49, getting back $8.50 on Flavor Wiki. Makes them a $3.01 moneymaker. All right, y'all, when I was at Walmart, they was right in my face, but the bag threw me off because the picture for Flavor Wiki is the traditional bag, but these are like the special bags with the little mascot on it or whatever, so that threw me off. And so I went, but I'm happy I grabbed them here anyways because it's a better deal for me to get them here. So they're 2 for $6. I was gonna grab one. If you just want to grab one at $4.99, you would get back $7 on Flavor Wiki. It would make it like a $2.01 moneymaker. But since they're 2 for $6 and you can get the dip as well, I went ahead and grabbed the chips and the dip for $6. Got back $7. Still makes them both free plus a $1 moneymaker. So last but not least is the Honest flushable wipes. And these are priced at $11.49. We have a 50% offer on Social Nature that gets us back $5.74. There's also $4 back for spending $10 on Fetch Rewards. It makes this 3-pack $1.75 or 58 cents per individual pack, which is definitely an awesome deal. This is our final breakdown for this haul. Everything worked out good. It's so dark in here, y'all. It's been so cloudy all day, and I was kind of trying to wait for it to get a little brighter, but look, this is the best it's gonna do, and I didn't want to bring in my ring light. And so everything here worked out really, really good. I think I found all the chips except one, and so I'll probably start the surveys for those today because that's gonna take me some time. I'm also going to do some on Joseph's account, probably my next video. I like to just wait till I do both, so that way I only have to open up one bag, especially if they're the same. I'm not going to have like a bunch of bags of the same chips open. I just open one bag. And so that's what we're going to do as far as that. I did try the Ensure Max Protein, the chocolate flavor, which is why that one is, well, it's empty. I had that after my workout this morning. It's not bad, not at all. The one brand I don't like, I found them on clearance now. Oh my god, those are so disgusting, but these are actually pretty good. Now it's not no pure protein, all right, it's not that, but it's not bad. And so if it continues to reset, I will definitely continue to do that on both Walmart Rewards and Ibotta. Really quick, I've been putting up a few posts on my community tab, and some of you guys are under the impression that when I say I do a deal on both Walmart Rewards and Ibotta, that I'm claiming the same offer twice. I'm not. I'm doing one transaction, one receipt for Ibotta, and one receipt for Walmart Rewards. I do my Walmart Reward deal first. Once it hits my Walmart account, I use that to pay for the Ibotta offer. That's how I always do it. So I'm never claiming the offer, one offer twice. That's why you always see double of everything. That's why I have 10 of these instead of just 5, you know, or I have 6 of these instead of just 3, right? So I just wanted to clarify that. The Old Spice, it keeps resetting, you guys. I don't know what's up with it. I don't know how many times I've done that deal, but I feel like I do it twice in every video. So like what, 4 times a week, and it just keeps on resetting. And so yeah, I'm gonna keep on doing it. I also did the Rockstar at Dollar Tree as well, and that is still working for checkout 51. What else with this haul? All of my Walmart rewards went through fine today for this haul. Everything went straight through. As soon as it hit my Walmart app, I flipped that Walmart cash back into the offer on Ibotta. And so it worked out perfect. I did try these. I've been eating these this last week. I've been having it on my way to the gym, and they're not bad. I just had this flavor this morning, and I actually think I like this one out of the 3 flavors. And so I will definitely be eating these. I thought Josiah might like them, but he's such a picky kid, and he's not even trying to smell it, let alone taste it. And so but yeah, I really like these, and so we'll definitely be consuming those. So with that being said, let me run through this. Everything you see here retails $183.18. Again, we had $7 in coupons, which brought the out-of-pocket down to $176.18. Our sales tax was $8.32. And then getting back $63 from Flavor Wiki. Ibotta is $40.95. Social Nature, $31.29. Walmart Rewards, $23.46. Field Agent was $20. Reward was $15.20. Checkout 51 is $14. Inbox dollars, Easy Bucks, and the Blue Diamond was $10 each. And then last but not least, we had $3.99 from IO, which was for the Organic Girl lettuce. Getting back a total of $241.89. It makes everything you see here free plus a $65.89 money maker, you guys. I feel like it's old times back. Like, because I remember back when I used to always have really awesome money makers, and then it just really dried up. And so now it's like these last several hauls have been massive money makers, which are so freaking awesome because there are so many other things I could do with that extra money. It's not even funny. And so with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button. It's been rainy and cloudy, so let me see some rain and cloud emojis in the comment if you made it to the end. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.